YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy Nate Just Dope, back with another video in JD Nation with Zam with it, man. You're watching Life with Nate, and today's video, which y'all can see by the title, we got Elizabeth City State University Sound of Class 2024 HBCU Labor Day Classic Battle of the Bands. Whew, that was a long title. But yes, man, we're about to check out their field show from this event over this past weekend. And we checked them out in the gym battle with Clark Atlanta and Winston-Salem State. So they sounded great, bro. They sound great. So I'm excited to see how they sound on the field, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. This is really my first time kind of like checking them out. So I ain't gonna lie, y'all are on my radar. You feel me? So we're gonna go ahead and use A1 Media's video for this reaction. His link will be down in the description below, man. I ain't gonna waste no time. I'm excited for this. So with that being said, let's get it. Let's get it. They get straight to it. Got a nice sound, man. Doing a lot of bass work, okay. Okay, drum basses. Okay. I like that. Sounded good too. Okay, okay. Hey, that tuba sound good, bro. That sound good. Okay, hold on. Okay. Okay, ladies, up to y'all. Hey, bro, that sound good, dog. I ain't gonna lie to you. Hold up. Get ready. Hey. Okay, brother, I make it ready. Okay. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I like that. Okay, okay. It hurt my ears. Yo. I was thoroughly entertained. Okay. Elizabeth City. Y'all are on my radar now, man. You feel me? Hey, y'all sound great. Y'all look great. I like the way that y'all entered the field. How y'all came on the field, man. Drum majors, bruh. Whoa, you feel me? No, hey, high energy, man, from beginning to end. Hey, those are some of the great elements of a great field show, man. Like it's like especially high energy, man. Yeah, yeah. Then the drill sounded great, and y'all looked great as a unit. You feel me? I didn't really see anybody like out of step or anything like that, man. So y'all look clean. Um, yeah, ballad was great. The dance feature, the dancers did great. They look clean. Flags look clean. Dance routine was high end. Hey, man, y'all just got y'all new fan. I ain't gonna cap. I would definitely, especially after hearing y'all little battle with, yeah, in the gym. All right, I didn't know y'all gangster. You feel me? I'm sorry, I didn't know y'all gangster like that. You know what I'm saying? So I will be tuned in for sure. Hey, if there's any other clips coming out throughout the year that I need to check out from y'all, hey, y'all send me the link and I will definitely check it out for sure. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, bro, great field show. Great field show. Great way to start off the season. I was thoroughly entertained. Sounded like the crowd was entertained as well too, man. So yeah, that's really all that matters. Like if the crowd is into it, and y'all had the crowd from beginning to end. So yeah, and y'all can say those are some of their fans because they, hey, look, bro, it don't matter. They in the crowd, right? So they got the crowd. You feel me? So yeah, bro. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Go ahead and clap it up again for sure. Yeah, man. So like I said, I would definitely be tuned in to y'all this year for sure, man. And like I said, and like I said, y'all got y'all a new fan, man. So yeah, y'all on my radar for sure, man. Comment down below. Let me know how y'all felt about that field show. Did y'all like it? This was a great field show. How can what is there to hate on? Okay, they dropped some of their hats dropped off or fell off while they was dancing. So that happens. You feel me? Don't don't be nitpicky. You know what I'm saying? This was a great show. You know what I'm saying? Hey, if I was there, I would definitely be entertained. And I felt the energy through the screen, man. So regardless if you're there or not, hey, great show, man. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I ain't got nothing else to say. Y'all did y'all thing, man. I have nothing else to say for sure. Yeah, that's it. So now with that being said, it's your boy Nature's Dope signing out. Deuces.